Welcome to DIY Creations, your very own go-to channel for all things do-it-yourself. Today, we are delving into the enchanting world of succulents, bringing you a delightful project on how to make a succulent terrarium in a glass jar. Let's embark on a journey of creating a miniature desert landscape that adds charm and greenery to your space. To start this succulent adventure, gather your materials. You'll need a clear glass jar with a lid, succulent plants, well-draining potting mix, small stones, activated charcoal, and decorative elements like pebbles or miniature figurines. Begin by preparing the base of your terrarium. Layer the bottom with small stones, providing essential drainage for your succulents. On top of the stone, add a thin layer of activated charcoal to help filter water and prevent odors. Now, introduce the well-draining potting mix, creating a suitable environment for your succulents. Make small indentation in the soil where you will plant each succulent. Carefully remove the succulents from their pots, ensuring you keep the root system intact and place them into the prepared soil. Feel free to get creative with the arrangement of your succulents, playing with heights and colors for visual interest. Add decorative stones, pebbles, or figurines to enhance the overall aesthetic. Once your succulents are snug in their new home, gently water the terrarium. Be mindful not to overwater. Succulents prefer a drier environment. Place the lid on the glass jar to create a mini greenhouse effect, promoting a healthy and self-sustaining ecosystem with a terrarium. Find a spot with indirect sunlight for your succulent terrarium to thrive. With minimal care, you will have a captivating, low-maintenance green oasis right at your fingertips. Enjoy your creation and don't forget to subscribe DIY Creations for more inspiring videos.